Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore email deliverability checks with Mailgun, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Mailgun account.
Once logged in, navigate to the Domain Management section.
Locate the domain for which you wish to restore email deliverability.
Click on the domain to open its settings.
Next, check the DNS records associated with your domain. Ensure you have SPF, DKIM, and MARC records correctly configured. If any records are missing, you'll need to update your DNS settings. You can find the recommended DNS records in the Mailgun documentation. Copy the relevant SPF record and paste it into your DNS management tool. Next, do the same for the DKIM record. For MARC, create a new TXT record using the standard format provided by Mailgun. After updating your DNS records, allow some time for propagation. Use the Mailgun tool to verify your DNS settings. Once verified, check the sending domain status in Mailgun's dashboard. If the status is not valid, revisit your DNS records for any errors. Next, ensure you are not on any email blacklists. Utilize online tools to check your domain's blacklist status. If you find your domain listed, follow the instructions to request removal. Once cleared, monitor email delivery rates via Mailgun's analytics. Look for engagement metrics like open rates and click rates. Consider implementing email authentication practices for ongoing deliverability. Regularly review your email sending practices for compliance with best practices. By following these steps, your email deliverability with Mailgun should improve significantly.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.